होल सिटी जॉब यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। तो हार्ट्रॉन का डीओ का कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट होगा, उसका ये प्रैक्टिस सेट तीसरा है। तो अगर आपने ये जितने भी सेट मैं दिखा रहा हूँ ये आपने देख लिए तो आपके कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट जो होगा उसको पास होने से तो कोई रोक नहीं सकता। उसके साथ आपकी टाइपिंग होगी तो वो आपके हाथ में रहेगी। और दूसरा मैं बता दूँ, इंग्लिश में ही आपके जो है क्वेश्चन आएंगे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ कैन वी डिस्क्राइब एन एरे इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे। तो कंटेनर दैट स्टोर्स द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सिमिलर टाइप। ईच कंप्यूटर कनेक्टेड टू द इंटरनेट मस्ट हैव ए यूनिक आईपी एड्रेस। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ स्टैक डाटा स्ट्रक्चर। तो ऑल ऑफ द अबव। What language does a browser typically interpret to display information from the World Wide Web? HTML. A combination of hardware and software which provides facility of sending and receiving of information between computer devices network. What is the full form of? तो AI की फुल फॉर्म है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। Which of the following is the correct way of declaring an array? int java point 10. C programming was created at Khalistan by Dennis Ritchie. तो तीसरा ऑप्शन एट एंड टी बेल लेबोरेटरी। कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव। Internet requires option C a common agreed set of rules to communicate between computers. Is Python case sensitive when dealing with identifiers? तो yes. Dennis was the author of famous programming book. तो option C the C programming language. Which of the following language was developed as the first purely object oriented programming language? तो Smalltalk. Process of inserting an element in a stack is called push. C programming was created at Khalistan in Dennis Ritchie. तो at and T Bell Laboratory. Protocols are agreements on how communication components and DT are to communicate. तो the 0 and 1 in the binary number system are called binary digits or bits. A Khalistan is a collection of computers and devices connected together. तो network. Internet is a worldwide interconnected network of computers that use a common protocol to communicate with one another. Correct answer are. Which of the following is true? तो ऑप्शन दो, पोस्ट मेथड कैन सेंड मोर डाटा देन गेट मेथड। व्हाट आर द टू ट्रिपल पी ऑथेंटिकेशन ऑप्शंस? तो CHAP और PAP। व्हाट टाइप ऑफ केबल इज नीडेड फॉर ए कंसोल पोर्ट? रोल ओवर केबल। हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ रूट्स? स्टैटिक और डायनामिक। Which of the following is true? Option 4 Windows NT enforces protected memory but Windows 95 और 98 does not. MILNet stands for military network. Assembly code database is associated with option A assembly language version of the program created by the code generation phase. Which of the following tables is a permanent database that has a entry for each terminal symbol? तो terminal table. The function performed by the paging software is all of the above. The higher versions of the operating systems are so written that programs designed for earlier versions can still be run. What is this called? तो अपवर्ड कैपेबिलिटी। ए relocate program form is one which? Option 2 consist of the program and relevant information for its relocation. What is the name given to the software which can be legally compiled and often used for free public domain program? Which of the following might be used to convert high level language instruction into machine language? तो an interpreter. If you want to execute more than one program at a time, the system software you are using must be capable of multitasking. In which storage placement strategy is a program placed in the smallest available hole in the main memory best fit? If you are in the header part of page, how can you quickly jump to the footer part? तो ऑप्शन 2 press page down key. The term activate windows refer to both A and B. What is the name given to software which can be legally compiled and often used for free public domain program? Which of the following is not a type of transmission mode? तो physical. What is the full form of SQL? तो structured query language. Which classes allow primitive types to be accessed as object? Virtual. An OS acts as an intermediary between user and hardware. A cursor is, तो ऑप्शन 1 a symbol that designates the position on the screen where text or codes will be inserted or deleted. America Online AOL offers option 4 all of the. A channel in Windows terminology is a specialized website designed to work with the Windows 98 subscribing feature. Option 2. A letter, memo, proposal or other that is created using Microsoft Word is called as. Option 3 document. A command button, option 1 is a one in a dialog box such as open, close, exit, OK or cancel that carries out a command. तो ये थे 3 सेशन हो चुके हैं। अभी चौथे की वीडियो भी बहुत जल्द आएगी, तो बने रहे चैनल पे। मिलते हैं नई वीडियो के साथ। धन्यवाद।